If you want to integrate Calendly with Squarespace, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to embed your Calendly booking page into your Squarespace website so visitors can schedule time with you without leaving your site. This is perfect for service providers, consultants, coaches, freelancers, and anyone who wants a simple booking system that looks professional and saves time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Calendly and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Event Types. This is where all of your booking events are stored, so choose the event you want to share on your website. For example, you might have a 15-minute call, a discovery session, or a longer consultation booking page. Pick the one that matches the service you want people to schedule. After selecting the event, click Share. Calendly will now show you different sharing options. From here, choose Add to Website. This is the option that gives you the embed code you'll need for Squarespace. Next, Calendly will ask you how you want the booking widget to appear on your site. You can choose inline embed if you want the calendar to appear directly on the page, pop-up widget if you want a button that opens the calendar, or pop-up text if you want a clickable text link instead. Choose the one that fits your website layout best. Once you select your preferred option, copy the Calendly embed code. Make sure you copy the full code because this is what will allow Squarespace to display your booking page properly. Now open Squarespace and sign into your account. From your dashboard, open the website you want to edit. If you manage more than one site, make sure you select the correct one before making changes. Now navigate to the page where you want to add Calendly. This could be a contact page, a services page, a booking page, or even your home page if you want people to book right away. Once you're on the right page, click Edit to enter the page editor. Squarespace will now let you add new content blocks to the page. Click Add Block, which is usually shown as a plus sign, and then select Code. This is the block that allows you to paste custom embed code into Squarespace. In the code block, paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier. After pasting it in, click Apply to save the block. At this point, Squarespace should load the Calendly widget directly on the page. You can move the block, resize the section, or adjust the layout so it fits the design of your site. If needed, preview the page to make sure the booking embed looks good on desktop and mobile. If something doesn't display properly, double check that the full embed code was copied and pasted correctly. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated Calendly with Squarespace. Your visitors can book appointments right from your website, which makes the whole process smoother and more professional. This is one of the easiest ways to turn your Squarespace site into a simple booking system without needing any complicated setup. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.